You see over there, they used to call it the ex-servicemen's club. I mean, I tell you, if you wasn't, if you wasn't English, you couldn't step up in there, man. Let's have a look. You could not step up in there.
From biker, yeah, na 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 na. Ooh. This is a from biker, from rider. Give your bike a rev, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again. Yaga yo, yaga yo, yaga yo. We outside again. Yes, family, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Also, you can hit the pay bell if you want to donate, and also you can become a member. So yeah, family, we're just gonna take a little kind of a tour around Kingstanding, man, real quick, not too long. Do you get me? Take a little drive around, a ride around, shall I say, Kingstanding. So yeah, at the bottom here over there, they've got a new Lidl, and I kid you not, yeah, the speed that went up, I swear that, man. Anyone who knows, before there used to be like farm foods and all that, and there used to be like levels, and you could go up to the top level, and it just used to look mad. It was crazy. That person's in the wrong lane. Yeah, over there used to just look mad, Bridget. But yeah, they've just neatened it all up, man. It looks alright over there still. So this is Kingstanding Circle. So anyone who doesn't know, Kingstanding Circle, it's a nightmare of a roundabout. You know, like if you're teaching students and that, and you're coming up to it and you're thinking, flipping out, what exit, blah blah blah. So more time it's easier when you're teaching students to deal with 4-lane roundabouts. You get me? That one there's about 6, 7 exits, something like that. All right, so let's go down here. Like Kingstanding's got bare like back roads and I should have went down there. Let's have a look. And it's mad, you know, because back in the day, these ends, like you see how you see all them flags and that, yeah? These ends used to be mad when it comes to race relations back in the day. No, it's calm still. Everybody's around here. Is it hidden? I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. But yeah, it's not like it was before. You get me? Like before, I used to hear stories of people having doo-doo put through their letterbox. You get me? Yeah, that's when people were like more physical with the thing, man. You get me? I've seen people in real life had swastikas. Is that what you call it? A swastika? Sprayed on her car. Yeah, all kind of mad things, man. I'm telling you. But now, it's not that, innit? I don't believe anyway. Yeah. Flipping, oh, these roads, man. So this here is Warren Farm Road, Kingstanding. There's so many back roads in that yard, I wouldn't even know where to start if I was gonna fully tour it. And then up there you've got the Kingstanding Inn. So I'm sure, you see over there, they used to call it the ex-servicemen's club. I mean, I tell you, if you wasn't if you wasn't English, you couldn't step up in there, man. Let's have a look. You could not step up in there. Don't get me wrong, not necessarily that they'll trouble you, but you will know that you're not supposed to be in there. Like, trust me. But it's changed now. They've changed it to the Kingstanding Inn. You got like a Caribbean food kitchen in there as well. I don't know if Brother Kenley's still in there, but yeah. Man like Aki, back in the day, yeah, he used to be the phone guy, man. I wonder if he's still in there. But yeah, guys, Kingstanding Inn if you want food and you want somewhere to stop. I don't know, I've never tried it yet. I'm overdue to go in there still and have a look. I've been in there, but I haven't had the food from there. You get me? Well, apparently it's really nice. All this reminds me of when I used to take students on their CBT road ride. I don't know if it just, yeah, these roads, I mean, look at the state of it, man. So this road here is what they call College Road. So you got your classics and all that. You know what's funny here? You know, for all those that want certain people to figure back where them come from, what's gonna happen on Friday when it's takeaway day? Yeah, that's what I want to know. Alright, let me know in the comments if you're one of them type of guys that want every foreigner, so to speak, to leave the UK. Like, you get me? Where you going Friday night? Because Chinese is off the menu, classics is off the menu, Indians off the menu, going out for a curry is off the menu. Like, where you going from there? Like, that be one door. Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy. But anyway, I'll let you guys deal with that, man. Mate. Another food place that's quite nice. If you want stuff like, let me just recommend what I had. A curry mutton dinner is actually really nice from over there. So if you're from anywhere local to here, curry mutton dinner from Unique Cuisine, it's really nice. And they've also got these little, I don't know if they're homemade or not yet, but these kind of rum punch things They're a $5, but trust me, they're nice. They're nice. Oh, my neck's hurting me, man. All of this. Not sleeping too good on my neck. And before I go, guys, let me show you where you can go. Well, you don't go there directly, you gotta phone them up and book. But where the CBT Centre is, Kingstanding. Oh, that's got. And the company is called Riders. And this road is called, I believe, hold on, is this Aldridge Road? I can't remember. Was it Kingstanding Road? Something like that. So if you're driving and you come this way, it's the next turning on your left. Old Ascot Hill. And it's the next turning on your right. So you turn right in there. Maryvale Community Centre. Are you coming out or not? Oh, what's you doing? Go on, go on. So it's in there, that's where you do your CBT. Or you're training for your Mod 1 and Mod 2. And this here, let me pull over here. And this here, oi! And this here is where you do your CBT, that's a training pad. Haven't seen them in a while. You go over there. So anyway, family, all I was doing is a little tour of Kingstanding. If you're new to the channel, family, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, become a member, donate to the paper, either or either. We out.
Brown biker, yeah. Na 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 na. Ooh. This is a rum biker, rum rider. Give your back a rep, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again.